Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Modern Warfare 2 error code 0X887A0005. So first of all, you need to open up this webpage on your web browser and check Modern Warfare 2 server status. Sometimes it can happen due to server issues. In case you find a temporary outage, wait for some time and try again later. But if you experience no outage here and still encounter this issue, then you need to head over to your game library on Steam. And then from here, you need to right-click on Modern Warfare 2 and select Properties option from the menu. In the Properties tab, select Local Files. Then on the Local Files page, select Verify Integrity of Game Files. Steam will then take some time to verify your files and you're done. Well, that's how you fix Modern Warfare 2 error code 0X887A0005. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up to see more videos like this, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. We'll see you in the next one.